What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So basically we had another function obviously today because we're in a wedding. So we had like this very small, very private affair, like a sangeet or an engagement, like the ring ceremony and blah blah blah, things like that. And very few people of us, just the closest family. So the plan now is obviously, like you guys know, it's a wedding scene and we are Punjabis, so we're gonna have a couple more beverages through the night. Ready for some beverages?
Let's have some beverages. Let's go.
Let's go. अरे कुछ करो ऐसा?
अरे लो यार.
Okay, now I'm going to show you guys our setup in the hotel. Here is the daru and coke. Here are the glasses. This is the lobby, by the way, and this is where we are sitting. That is, by the way, Golu's mom. Asi, hi bolo. That's Golu's mom. Alright, so we got kicked out of the place. Actually, yesterday we had gone like late in the night, so no one really noticed. And today we went with the whole setup, and they kind of told us that we cannot drink over there, obviously. So we are back in the room. Alright, so next morning, obviously you all know how it works. It got a little heavy and it was a long night, so it's the next morning now. We had another small little function to do. I don't know if you guys will know or not, but either ways that thing is done. We had lunch and now I got some really good news that kind of made my day. So I don't know if you guys know, but there was a collaboration between Gucci and Balenciaga, where they had a couple of silhouettes from sneakers, bags and other things from Balenciaga with the Gucci design on it, and then a couple of silhouettes from Gucci with the Balenciaga design language on it. So I got a call from Gucci. I put in a request. I called a couple of days back and they told me to wait as there's a waiting list and things like that. But either way, they have secured the shoe for me. So we have two sneakers kept aside for us. One is for me, one is for Sonal. Yes, she might also pick one up. So that is what we are doing today in middle of this wedding. Quickly gonna head out to DLF Emporio. Once again, is the same place where we went to buy the Dior sneakers couple of days ago. So I'm gonna quickly head out now. Me, Sonal and Ankur are heading to DLF Emporio. We're gonna go try the shoes out and I'll probably show it to you over there. If not, we'll just come back and do our regular style unboxing in the room or something. So yeah, I'm gonna let's not waste time and let's go. So done with Gucci and now we are rushing back to the hotel because we have to go to the reception and the wedding. Really excited?
Very.
First Gucci
And Balenciaga.
So these are the Balenciaga Triple S sneakers which had come out a couple of years ago, and they did pretty well for the trend that time. Not that it's dead now, but it's kind of okay. Not as many people buy it now. So why I went for these is because I was basically considering to buy another Gucci Raytons or whatever they're called. I don't know, because the last time when I had it, they got kind of fucked because of the print. It came off and some shit happened. It just got wasted. So I was looking for a nice basic Gucci shoes for parties and stuff like that, because not everyone understands the kind of sneakers that I wear. So yeah, I kind of liked it. I thought let's give it a shot if I can get it, because the resale is kind of little high right now, but also my size you don't usually get in India. So I just inquired and I got a call in the morning saying it is been arranged for me, and I quickly ran and I bought one. And by the way, Sonal also bought a pair of these because she was also looking for a pair of Raytons, and I told her to rather go for this one. Is the other floral design. You can go check out on her channel for the unboxing. And yeah, so that's the thing about these sneakers. Let me know in the comments below what you feel about these. Should I skipped it, or is it good if I bought it? I think it's a nice outerwear sneaker, you know, like I said, for casual parties and stuff like that. So let's go and see how they look on my feet. Harsh, here they are. Gucci Balenciaga. What do you think?
इसमें तो Balenciaga कहीं लिखा ही नहीं है।
अरे तू पागल है क्या? पूरा सिल्वर टी Balenciaga तो लिखा क्यों रहेगा यार?
और बाकी जो अदर कलरवेज में है ना वैसा।
अरे वो अच्छा नहीं है ना, Balenciaga लिखा है Balenciaga के जूते पे। So this Balenciaga Triple S, तो इस पे Gucci लिखेंगे ना, Balenciaga क्यों लिखेंगे? ये देखिए लिखा है Triple S. By the way, Harsh is the one who spotted this in the collection. Like I said, I wasn't really keen about this, but he told me that since I was considering to buy the Ride-Ons again.
Very iconic collaboration. So I think you should have one in your collection.
Yeah, exactly, precisely. So instead of buying the Ride-Ons again, then he suggested I should go for these, which is why I went for these.
अच्छा पहले कितने के?
अरे damn good bro, MRP is only 87,000.
Wow यार.
Amazing price ना. I was trying to, I spoke to someone to buy it on resale. मेरे को नहीं पता था यहाँ मिल जाएगा. तो I was quoted 1.2 lakhs in London क्योंकि वहाँ पे everything is sold out. But luckily यहाँ मिल गया and only 87k bro. That's a steal. So how much you rate these? See, Triple S is a good sneaker, no doubt. It's not that bad.
9 out of 10.
है ना, नॉट बैड ना. अच्छा चलिए हो गया अभी. नाउ पीपल आर वेटिंग टू सी द सूट दैट आई डिजाइंड. बहुत ज़्यादा ही हाइप हो गए फालतू में. आई डोंट नो वी आर गोइंग टू लाफ ऑन इट. इतना कुछ खास नहीं है. चल तू जाके रेडी हो जा. तू क्या पहन रहा है सूट के साथ?
मेरा तो ऑलरेडी फिक्स है ना.
कौन सा?
Gucci.
ओह गुच्ची है ना, गुच्ची.
आपका बताओ पहले.
आई एम वेयरिंग द डियोर्स ओनली बिकॉज इट्स अ लिटिल टू कैजुअल. आई वांटेड टू बी अ लिटिल सेमी फॉर्मल.
Yeah, I think it won't match.
Yeah, and I'm not wearing this for that. This for that. Okay, anyways, you go fast and come back in your suit now. Bye. By the way, I got some more things from Gucci. I don't know if you guys know, but I have this ring from Gucci that I used to wear from a long time, and I wanted some more of the rings from Gucci because they're really nice. And I saw a couple of them available in the store, so I got these. One is here, and I have another one. I got 2 rings. Let me just quickly show it to you guys. It's pretty cool. Nice packaging, by the way, is kind of cool. So here it is. This, I don't know if you can see, this is one of the rings that I got. This is for my thumb. This is where I'm gonna wear it. And let's open the second one up. This is the second one, again with GG. I don't know if you can see. I'll just put a short B-roll. This is for my pinky finger here. So yes, I have, weirdly, I have 3 Gucci rings now on my fingers. Not that subtle, but not that loud as well. So which is why I got these rings. They cost about 20,000 rupees for one. And now I'm going to quickly change into my custom designed suit that you guys have been waiting for. There is the bride's brother, Harsh, in his typical uncle Gujarati suit.
अरे यार.
मजाक कर रहा हूँ. Alright, so that is my fit. It's an all black suit with a single button jacket. A pant with a nice slit for the shoes. This is what I meant by inspired by Virgil. Glossy tee inside. I don't know, glossy or whatever you call it. I have no idea about the terms. But yeah, and obviously my chrome heart hats, my new rings, and yeah, it's more like a casual, more like a, I don't know, an award function fit. Not exactly a wedding fit, but yeah, if you want to see it in detail, then go follow me on Instagram. Alright guys, so we are now heading out for the main wedding day, and like you see, we are really busy. So if you're watching till here, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and we will see you in the next video. I have a special unboxing. I have a series of unboxing in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned and see you tomorrow, day after tomorrow, one of the days. Okay, now let me enjoy the wedding. Goodbye, see you, peace. Peace, girl. Yes.